Want to create eye-catching flicker edits to make your videos stand out on a social media? Hi, I am Raksha from Online Help Guide, and in this video I will show you exactly how to do a flicker edit on CapCut. Open CapCut. Tap on New Project. Select the photos and tap on the photo. Tap on the Adjust and select the Sharpen. Keep the Sharpen at 40. Tap on Apply to All. Now click on the tick mark. Tap on the overlay and select the white photo from your device. Zoom in to make it full screen and tap on Splice. Tap on Overlay. You can even adjust the overlay according to your requirement. Tap on the tick mark. Adjust the photo. Copy the white photo and keep it at the beginning of all the photos. Tap on the text and enter dot. Tap on the style. Keep the size till 100 and opacity at 16. Tap on Animations and click on Loop. Search for Flicker. Tap on the flicker and keep it to the fast. Tap on the tick mark and keep the text to the full screen. Copy the text and keep it in the front of your photo. Adjust the text. Now preview the effect to ensure it matches your desired style. Once satisfied, save your project by clicking at the top right corner of your screen. By following these steps, you can easily create Flicker Flash on CapCut. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming videos.